Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 45 for our DSP projects today. Today we're going to be crafting with the delightfully eclectic DSP. I picked this cute swan pattern and we're going to go with black and white for our coordinated colors. Now this card's going to be a square card, so that card base is going to get cut down to 8.5 by 4 1/4. Then here the DSP is trimmed down to these parts and we're using these two pieces for the project. I did emboss with the Basics 3D folder a square of white, and then I've stamped my sentiment with pumpkin pie from the Wildlife Wonder stamp set. So here are all the parts and pieces that we're going to use for the project, and remember all the details can be found on the mini tutorials. Just subscribe with the link below. So to start, we need to fold our base in half, and then we're going to adhere the embossed panel to the front of that card with liquid adhesive. Once that is done, we're going to layer up the DSP onto its mount of basic black, again with liquid adhesive, and then that goes right in the center of our embossed panel. So we're just building square on top of square on top of square. Now from here, we're going to add the thinner panels. So we're going to add the black band across the center there. Then we're going to add the X'd DSP. Now mine was a little short, but we'll hide it behind the sentiment tag. Then I added the sentiment tag with dimensionals just off to the side, and there we have our cute little square note, a note of thanks. So if you like the project today, remember you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe here to the channel so you don't miss out on anything else I share. You can also contact me with my newsletter link below, sign up for the newsletter, or just drop me a note. So until next time, do some fun stamping, and we'll see you again soon.